Now this is just going to be a short video, and it's a question to you guys, and I want to make sure that I'm not the only one that feels it. Now, we've been away all weekend. We've been over to the Isle of Wight. Louise and I have had an amazing weekend, really, really cool. Now I'm at work. I'm stuck at work, trying to point in the patio, ducking in and out the rain, and I have properly got the bike blues, like big time. Now it's raining today. It's not now, but it's going to rain later. I'm unable to get out on the bike night tonight, which is giving me the blues even more. So my question to you guys is, do you get the bike blues, or is it just me? Because I'm really feeling it this week. Knowing now that it's going to be raining for the next couple of weeks is proper making me feel miserable. Now, the more and more I'm using the bike, and the more Louise and I are going out, the more I'm sort of getting invested in it, and I really, really want to get on the bike all the time. So yeah, when the weather's pretty rubbish, it's going to be pretty sad, which is not going to be great coming into winter. But we'll work around it. But anyway, it's going to be wet for the next week or so. I think it's a week and a half they're saying it's going to be wet. So there's not going to be many videos coming up on the bike unless we get out tonight, or maybe they go out with the lads tonight for bike night for a few hours. But what I'm thinking of doing is a short video. Now, Louise's bike needs some basic maintenance on it and some checks. It needs a few adjustments. We did notice that when we was in the Isle of Wight. And I really want to teach Louise how to do the basic things. There's sort of 5 or 6 checks that she should be doing on the bike before she takes it out every time. And at the moment she doesn't know that, so I'm going to get the bike in the shed while it's wet this week and just run through those points with her, and so she can check and be safe every time she goes out. And I will make a short video on this because it will be really helpful for you guys, especially new riders, to understand the few things that you should do before you go out on the bike every time, just to make sure that they are in tip-top condition, which will keep the bike in good nick and it will keep you safe. So I'm going to make a short video, and that will help anybody out that has just bought a bike but doesn't really know how to check it out before they go out. So yeah, hopefully that'll be quite helpful for you guys. But anyway, I'm going to crack on with work. I should be at work now. I'm just having a nice cup of coffee that the customers made me, which is really nice, just ducking out the rain. I've got to get on with some work, so hopefully we'll get down to Box Hill later and get the bike out for a few hours at least. But if not, I'll see you in the next one, and yeah, ride safe if you get out today or this week.